Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble and install the pedestal that comes with the S95B series OLED from Samsung. The first thing you're going to want to do is lay the television down on its front and put that on a soft surface like the foam material that comes with it in the box, or just a soft blanket. These are all of the accessories that you're going to need to perform this installation. Everything comes in the box except for the screwdriver, so make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver on hand. Now we're going to take this piece and then we're going to match up these two holes on the bottom with these two legs sticking up here, and this will just slide down into place. And once that's in place, you have 4 screw holes here that should all match up. Now we're going to take our 4 screws and put those into all those holes there and tighten them down. They're a little difficult to line up, so you definitely want to be patient here. The next step is going to involve flipping these tabs down. There's 2 of them on the back. These are in there pretty tight. I actually had to use the Phillips head screwdriver to kind of pry them out of place by just going in here and just popping it out. Once you do that, you lower those both, and you're going to expose these 2 holes up there, and then there's 2 more on the bottom, and those are all going to match up to 2 different spots on the back of the television. And I guess it's not really just 2 parts, it's 4. So you have these 4 tabs right here. Those are going to line up with your 4 holes on the back of the pedestal base. And then you also have these 2 tabs that line up with a couple of notches cut out up here. So there's kind of a lot going on, but once you line these up, everything's just going to kind of slide into place. And then you sort of want to push it up into the TV so that these 4 things coming out of the back of the TV sort of lock into place. After you're done with that, you're going to close these until they snap, and that part's done. Now you're going to get a friend to just help you put this back upright, making sure not to pinch any part of the screen. Now the last steps here, if you're going to run your power cord through the cable management system here, this is where you'd want to plug it in. So you'd plug it in over here, run it through this little ridge across the top, and then that'll come down through this notch at the bottom. Then you're going to take this plate and you're going to line it up here, and it'll just snap into place. Just like that. And that's all there is to it. So it's a pretty straightforward process. You just have to be patient, but this is what it should look like by the time you're done, and you'll be all set with that pedestal. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.